Are you ready for the big one? It's the last match here at the HCA Stadium, beautiful Uppal Stadium for CCL Season 11. We've loved the crowds here and now they'll get their money's worth because we are ready to toss for this one. It's the Telugu Warriors taking on the Chennai Rhinos. Let's get to the star cast. To my left first, the skipper of the Telugu Warriors. What a magical match yesterday, Akhil Akineni. To his left, the skipper of the Chennai Rhinos, Vikrant. To his left, a match referee, Prakash. And to his left, the chief of the HCA, Mr. Jaganmohan Reddy. Thank you for the ground and the wonderful arrangements. And then, of course, a very, very special guest. It's brother time. Naga Chaitanya is here with us. And he, of course, is celebrating this huge hit, Thandel, which is still going on. Congratulations. And of course, we've got a few others, very special guests. Arfat, MD Rika Valley, thank you for your support. We've also got Mr. Daljit Singh, Vice President HCA. We've got Mr. Baswa Raju, Joint Secretary HCA, and Mr. Sunil Agarwal, Councillor HCL. Thank you all, gentlemen. It's time for the toss. Who has the coin? Once again, it's Akhil Akineni with the coin. And Vikrant, nice loud call. Go for it. Heads is the call.
Ready, 10 and 10.
And what is it? Prakash. And heads it is. Vikrant, congratulations. Step on up. Microphone in hand.
Thank you.
What would you want to do?
I will like to bat first.
All right, makes a bit of sense. Lots of runs on that pitch. What about the atmosphere here at the
It is
HCA?
electrifying, and I think it is for my good friend Akhil. I'm so happy to be playing again in the Uppal ground. Yeah.
All right, now we've got a couple of problems, Vikrant, with the score.
Slightly
Two
lower,
matches
guys.
played, two
Whoever
matches
is doing
lost.
it. Yeah,
Today,
yeah,
a
hold it.
big one for you. Any special preparation?
Nothing of that sort. We'll just try to win this game, and I think the boys still believe that we could do it.
What's missing? What do you need to do today to get that first win?
It just has, it just has to happen for us because against Bengal we played a good game, but unfortunately last 10 overs we missed it. So hopefully we'll correct it and win this game.
Well, I wish you luck.
Thank you so much.
All right.
Thank you.
Akhil, walking up. No luck with the toss. But what a miracle yesterday. I suppose you want to thank your supporters first.
It's only them. It's only them. I think at some point we had lost belief ourselves, but just before that 1% was gone, I remember Taman came in to the team huddle and said, no, we're going to win this.
Well,
We
that's
charged
someone new.
ourselves. I think the main thing was belief in ourselves. Run a ball is not easy, I think, with seven wickets in hand. So it's just pure belief that we all had.
Well, you will be bowling first today. Is that a problem? Happy to bowl first?
Well, I'll be honest, we wanted to bat first. The wicket is really good. But it's a 10-over game. Every 3-4 overs, it keeps changing. 4 innings in hand. There's always another great performance pending from someone in the team. So it's okay. It's a balanced game.
You know, I'm a little confused about the par score. Teams are scoring 170 and even 80. What is par score? What would you like to restrict them to?
You know, we keep discussing this. I think 120, 130 is a really good score. Beyond that, it's just magic that happens in a 10-over game. It's all mentality, the way you walk out on the field that day.
Well, listen, we want to utilize the presence of your brother here today.
Absolutely.
Naga Chaitanya, if you'll step on up, please. Come on closer. And if you'll hand
I
the microphone over.
wanted to congratulate him on his blockbuster. So happy for him. Welcome to Uppal Stadium.
Naga Chaitanya, thank you for being here. Just a word on how you feel at being in the center of a cricket ground, because this is a magnificent feeling for me. But your thoughts?
No, feels amazing because looking at Akhil play always has been a treat for me. I know how passionate is he about cricket, and being here watching him play is amazing. And they've done great, so yeah, a real pleasure to be here.
Do you like to give some advice to your brother on cricket in France or no?
Not at all. He should be giving me advice on cricket.
Well, it's great to see you here. Congratulations on the movie.
Thank you so much. Thank
All
you.
right, Akhil. To you, good luck, and of course to both the teams as well. But the news from the middle is that the Chennai Rhinos have won the toss and they will be batting first.